Welcome to the channel for the first time. This is the first video we're making for Track Proof. Track Proof is my wife, Michelle, and I, and our friends in racing and showing you guys kind of everything we do when it comes to autocross with SCCA or other organizers, building our cars. There's going to be C10 content, there'll be Corvette, you know, Miata, EcoBoost Mustang. So I have an EcoBoost, my wife has an EcoBoost. We do autocross all the time with them. I do HPDE and time trials as well. So you guys just stay tuned, make sure to subscribe. So we're heading down right now to Bowling Green, Kentucky, and you've got PTTS, that is the Pro Touring Truck Shootout. All right, so it happens every year. We go down to it every year. Our buddy Hunter has a 1970 C10. It is a LS swap. It's a LQ4. It has T56 CTSV blower. Makes like 550 at the tire. It is set up completely for autocross. So this thing is on the ground. It is sitting on 315s all the way around. It's a riot. So anyways, we're gonna show you all these truck guys. It's not, you know, we're not in the trucks, but we are. Like me and my wife were in the Mustangs and anything else really. We like BMWs, whatever. But we're gonna show you the truck guy world, or truck girl world, where it's just the best trucks in the nation competing to see who has the ultimate truck. That's what we're gonna shine some light on. So it's a kind of thing that's been picking up some steam, and honestly, me and the wife, we might have to build a Track Proof F100. So we're Ford people, but we love Chevys too. So I'm thinking F100, thinking LS, some type of LS setup, you know, T56, and I'm thinking S550 IRS in it. What do you guys think? I think that'd be a pretty solid truck there. So anyways, follow us along, and once we get there, I'll show you all the cool shit. So we're down here at Beech Bend. Look what the flood did. Look at all this mud. There's the river over there. I'm down here, PTTS. Gonna check out some sweet trucks. Brought our cars. We're gonna go over to NCM after this. Everybody's getting set up. Yay. C10s.
So much.
Check out this thing.
Joining us here. I know it's
LS powered.
I know Brock and his crew were working. I think Brock.
Look at that.
More hours than every week, and his crew even more. But he got it done. And he's still got a smile on his face. Brock's he's a quiet guy, but he smiles every time he rolls up on you. And he says, "Hey, we'll get it done."
Up here to Hunter. We're walking up this way. Check this thing out. Ooh.
Get a chance, give him a high five.
Oh, we got a lightning showed up. Here's Hunter's 1970 C10. I'm gonna hop in for a ride, man. Hunter, I got time to jump in? Got time to jump in? You having fun?
Yeah, it's like a skating rink out there.
Woo! Here we go, first run. He's already ran one. Somehow he made it through the round, didn't get any practice. So here we go. His first run, he actually got into the second round, and then hopped in the truck when we showed up and did a second round with him. Truck still, tires are cold. The suspension needs a little bit more work on balancing. It was just all over the place, but it was still pretty fast. Here it is, 1970 C10. It's got an LQ4, It's got a truck cam, I believe. I'm gonna have Hunter talk to y'all more about it, but it is a actual CTSV blower. It's got QA1 stuff all over it, coilovers, the mod reservoir suspension pack, whatever it's called. Big, huge sway bar. All right. Race seats, T56. Got a race steering shaft, detachable wheel, and then pretty much it's a C20 frame. It's been boxed in and kind of just Frankenstein to make it as rigid as for me. Got weights in the back to try to get the balance better. He has had it corner balanced about maybe 3 weeks ago to a month ago, and it's got a quick performance 9-inch Ford 9-inch in the back of it. It is a sweet ride. It definitely gets down and it gets all that power down in the traction with the 315 Falcons. So it's 315, 30, 18s. Those are 18 by 11s. Let's go check out some trucks. Sweet trucks, fast. How you doing? You having fun? Somebody didn't check to charge the scooter. That'd be me. So the other scooter's dead.
That'd be you.
So I'm walking.
That's why you get to walk.
Even if she forgot it, I'd still be walking.
Golf cart.
Forge line wheels. Look at this thing.
I like the blue and white.
You've had it for a long time. Nice truck. Thank you.
Yeah, man, it's awesome. So there's also a truck show. So that's what we're looking at now. It's a truck show. all the racers right now are kind of like eating lunch. They're going to do a start and stop here in a little bit, so we're going to go look at Hunter's truck and get a detailed view of that. She's trying to scoot. Scoot, scoot.
Outlaws, you are here right now.
Cars.
Let's take a look at this thing. Single turbo or less. Never lost my sock while I was walking, and a total loss. Going to my truck. Look at these things. Bro, where did you find that at?
It's at the Mexican place.
Man, that's so good.
We should have went there.
You gotta be kidding me.
Damn it.
Solid Frank right there, bud.
Oh,
And they filled up.
I'm pretty disappointed in myself. That burger I had, I don't even know if that was a burger.
I'm gonna go get one.
Yep. Well, we only did. I was trying to get up here. We did 2 shows.
I got you loaded all the way.
Why do I even need
Anything else? Similar specs, like what's wanted to do for next time, and I'll, try harder. Sorry I let you down.
I'm sorry I let you down. First time we've ever done anything like this. So we use our AMS to go on first. So we had tons.
Well,
And so we went through Delta. So you can use your miles to cash in on vacations. It was like we took. It was
okay, I was going to.
inclusive and with the flight. I think it was supposed to be like a little over 10.
I was.
And I think I paid.
Let me know when you go.
Because just use my miles.
Okay, I was going.
But it was amazing.
A lot of C10s, a lot of LSs.
I like the wheels. Wool color.
Yeah, I like them a lot. What's your favorite thing you've seen today?
I don't know, a lot of stuff. I'm just trying to figure out what to do.
Am I too low? Is it too low? It's in I know. Yeah. 30 minutes in, Damo's broke down the side of the road.
And then machine them and put them together.
Sure. Anyone can draw, but then you gotta figure out how to. And then I want to go back and forth because you and I do have an ongoing too. Okay? So, Jesse and I go way back down.
This is Owen's truck.
When Jesse
He's OBSChevyRacing.com.
Which used to
And
be
this
the
is his
building
chassis,
for,
his parts. Check him out.
Advanced
He
Auto
puts on this
Advanced
event.
Place. So one of Steve's buildings. So you guys had that building there, and I used to enjoy my Mondays. They go out there, go pick up material, and then go to your racing sheet. And you should have watched.
Backing up from Bowling Green, Beech Bend from PTTS, and we're going to head over to NCM, see some cars on track. We won't be getting on track, we didn't register, but since we're already down here, might as well go see. Hit Hear the song of our people. We're here, NCM Motorsports Park. They're out there. Always hit the curb. We just showed up to NCM Motorsports Park. We're gonna go take a look at the track day they're doing. A lot of people turned out. Poor Mustangs can't get on track today. I was supposed to work, so I didn't get registered in time. But this is a nice facility. Sick. Aero, look at that thing. Bunch of people showed up today. What do you think? Oh, look at there. There's your favorite. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Ooh.
Yeah. Yep. It's really funny is it's 4 or 5 days. Yeah.
I think they're serious.
Oh yeah, that's serious. Super serious. You think it's serious?
I think it's... Yeah.
What do you think that thing is?
I don't know. Looks fun.
Yeah.
Fast.
It's unfortunate. I don't like spectating, but it is what it is. It's nice to have a calm day, and because I tell you now, days like this, you're jacked up. You're going to the rooftop. See a good view.
This is a good view track.
Finally get to see how other people hit that 180. Spicy. I mean, just take a look at this lineup. Full-blown race cars. Got M Series, Porsche GT3s, GT3 RS, Radical, Ferrari. I mean, it's a crazy track super up there in the fourth one back. Bunch of aero.
There's another.
These boys
Porsche.
are serious. GT3. Porsche gang. All right. So there was a black flag on the track, something caught on fire. So we don't know much yet, but everyone got kicked off. See what's going on. They sent EMS out there, which is not a good sign. So hopefully he's okay. We're gonna take the elevator. It's a nice little rooftop view. Check out this service, you know, at a racetrack, riding your elevator down. What do you think about it?
It helps my hip.
Huh? Here we go.
Oh yeah, I want to go.
We're going to the store to get some shirts and stuff.
I'm freaking starving, man. I'm starving.
What are you?
Huh?
You're what?
I'm starving.
Starving? We had a shitty hamburger at PTTS. Uh-oh, here comes the, I think it's a BMW, the one that caught on fire.
I don't think it's a BMW. It's
So this car is the one that hit something or went off track, caught on fire. It's coming up here.
I almost thought it was Alfa Romeo, but I don't think it is.
Let's see here. Well, that side doesn't look bad. I guess the other side of it's really crispy up. I don't know, I can't see it. There was a lot of smoke, wasn't it?
A lot of smoke.
Yeah.
That's my truck there.
Everybody's looking. I guess it's on the other side, you can't see it. Well, leaving NCM. Track went down, a black flag, and we decided we're gonna go get something to eat. We're gonna go get some Texas Roadhouse. But like I said, I'm not a great spectator, but I do enjoy it. Still what I enjoy, so it was cool. I never got to sit up there and watch everyone like mostly my wife Michelle, she gets to do all the time whenever I run on the track, so that was cool. But we're gonna get Michelle on the track. She's never been on an actual big track. She's just done autocross, so there is an introduction to high performance driving that's coming up, and I want to get her to do it, but I know she'll be like, oh, I'll just go and do it. I'm like, the class is nice. I mean, if you've never done this, that's why I say anybody can go and race. You don't have to have any kind of certain car. You know, if you want, you can take your Honda Accord, take your Toyota Corolla. Doesn't matter. There's multiple times I've seen cars like that out there. On autocross, there's a guy that has a PT Cruiser that runs with us, and this thing looks like a piece of crap. And I believe he's got cut springs on it, but he's got sticky tires, and he knows how to drive it, and it goes freaking around that thing quick. He'll three-wheel the damn thing, but you don't have to have the greatest shit. You can just go and try it, you know? And I think that's the moral of the story, is that just go out and do it, you know? Sounds good. Now we're going on Corvette Drive, so this is where the museum is. Bear with us, as this is our first ever YouTube video, so I'm open for comments. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like, what you want to see. But I plan on doing this. You know, it's gonna be growing pains. I'm gonna figure it out though. So I've got this locked in my head that I'm gonna make you guys some awesome content. Hopefully one day we'll have a shop and be able to work on your cars if y'all need it. Be able to just get to learn is what my main thing will be. So, you know, I want to do C5 Corvette stuff, and then you guys can watch that. I want to do Miata stuff. You guys can watch that. Mustang stuff, obviously the EcoBoost. I think that that's a really good. Most people probably would never realize how good these things do. And when I go to the track, most of the older guys that are not familiar with this, that have been at the track their whole life, they're like, dude, how much power do you make in that thing? Like, and it's, you got to think about it. It's the same chassis as the 350 GT, you know, GT 350 or the GT 500. It's the same chassis, so doesn't it make sense that all those suspension parts can be put onto this car? Doesn't it make sense that you can tune this car and get that kind of horsepower you need? So a lot of people don't realize it, and that's fine. Hopefully my goal is with this channel to kind of show you guys what is possible, and who knows where the future leads. So just make sure to leave those comments. Let us know what you didn't like, what you did like. Appreciate you.